everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package here in the mail. No idea what this is. Oh, cool. This is awesome for my woodworking. It's a digital caliper. So let's open it up. Is there tape? Nope. For my sawmill, when I'm sawing out precision lumber, because the measures go off on it, and when I'm planing, finishing up lumber and planing it, this is going to be great. Let me see if I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Nice case. It's got a cleaning cloth. This looks nice. Real instruction manual. A lot of instructions. Good that it's in a box. I like that it's in a carrying case so that it doesn't get banged up on the job site. That is all metal. And it's got some heft to it. This is no joke. This feels good. That's heavy metal. Let's see how it fits in there. Very, very nice. Hope I can keep the manual in there with it all the time. And there's a battery, so let me get that in there and see how this looks. Actually, figure I might as well show you. The battery slides out, and there is a battery in there. Just wanted to check it out. Make sure there's nothing to stop it from... Sometimes there's a protection in there for transportation. And it turns on. Look at that. Now, I'm going to have to turn my camera around because I'm right-handed with this. We'll be back in a second here. Well, wait, here's on-off. Let me see if that works. Okay. So, is this millimeters, inches, what's feet? Oh wow, 35/64. Cool. See if we can get half an inch on there. It's really smooth. Oops. I bet if I wasn't working with the camera, I could get that. Oh yeah. If I wasn't trying to do this upside down through the camera, I could get that right on. I like that it has a 0. Cool. We'll take this outside and the next days, and we'll check this out, and we'll use it actually when I do my planing. This is going to be great when I finish the extensions on the sawmill itself. I got to do some planing work. We'll see you over there when I get there. So, just got these today, and already I'm going to be measuring my rails because I need to shave this board down. This rail is a tiny bit higher than this one. The way Harbor Freight designed these, they milled it down a little bit and made these non-standard 61.15. And this one is, what do we got? 63.6. So 61, 63.6. So about 2.5 millimeters difference. I've got to shave off. This is already serving me, and I just got it in the mail today. It's perfect timing. Absolutely perfect timing. So I'm going to go in to the shop and I'm going to plane down a board that I have in there a couple millimeters shorter so that this will mesh up with this. The calipers are good out here where my with my wood. When my wood is drying, I'm setting this to inches, I can come in and see what kind of loss I'm having from drying and what size the lumber still is, which is great for me. I don't know how many other people do that, but I can come out and quick check. It's really convenient. It's awkward with a tape measure to get a precise measurement on that stuff. I like having this here for the mill. When I bring I cut a 4x4 for my mill, and that shows me I'm very pleased with my sawing. 3.545. I was aiming for 3.5 inches. Pretty good, I'd say. Here's a cool feature I learned just because I kept noticing after I shut it off, then I would close it and I'm like, wait a minute, it's on again. Check this out. You don't even have to press the on off button. If you just move it, it turns itself on. How cool is that? So you don't even have to fumble around with the on off button. Just move it. That is cool. And it's got an auto off feature as well. So that's really neat. This is also good for measuring the inside of pipes. So my tent got broke, and if I want to stick something up in there to repair it, that's convenient to get the measurement. So I'm going to be using this all over the place. I can see having this. Actually, this stays out all the time now. It's always at hand. It is so great and so convenient because of its precision. And everything I'm doing is precision out here, so it's awesome. So I'm getting a lot of use out of these here on the homestead. And the case itself, I have to come back to. I have to say it's really great because it's got 4 battery storage compartments, which is nice. It comes with a spare battery, 4 battery storage compartments, and the lens cleaner, which is incredibly useful here, especially in this environment. It is dust resistant, so that's great. Everything goes neatly in the carrying case, so I don't lose anything. I am liking it. Well, guys, please do like this video. Put the links down below. You can get one yourselves. There's a great discount going on, a sale going on, so check out the codes in the description in the comments below. It is really, really great to have that around here, and I find that I'm using it quite heavily on a daily basis here at the homestead. Well, subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming tomorrow to the homestead. Talk to you later.